Hey, it's Ohio Jimbo. Today I've got a lesson for you. This is not a performance, this is just a lesson, but I'm going to show you the chords and the arrangement, in my mind, for Billy Joel's You May Be Right. This is a cool song. I think you're going to like it, so stick around here. And we do the intro. Then we come back to this. Well, you may be right. I know this is one of those cool songs. This is a great fun song. A lot of people like to sing along with it. Nobody really knows the lyrics, and I don't think it matters. But if you do know the lyrics, look them up. You can find them. You can sing along with this, and it really gets to be a kind of a cool song to play. It's got a whole story to it. So if you're going to play it, here's the chords you need. You need the A, you'll need an E, and a D. Now, if any chord is tricky, it's that B7 and a G. That should be all the chords you need based on the Ohio Jimbo version of how I see it played. So there's a multitude of ways. This isn't necessarily or even close to how Billy Joel would have written it or even performed it. But this is how I show you. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to start this in A, as I said. So again, we're trying to avoid any type of copyright infringements. I just want to show you how to play the song. And it's hard to do that without including some of the lyrics and then some of the chord progression. Here we go. So you start in A. Grab your guitar. If you don't have your guitar, I'll wait. Okay, good. You got your guitar. I'm glad you paused there. That A is where you kind of... And you're going to slip into an E. Back to A. So that's the easy part, the A and the E, and the A and E. So if you get into this part, Friday night I crashed your party, Saturday I said I'm sorry, Sunday came and crashed me out again. See that E? And then this is where you kind of go to that B7th, okay? Now, I'm strumming a little bit longer on this E just so I can tell you this. So we were only having fun. Go to G. Never hurting anyone. Back to E. And we all enjoyed the weekend for a change. So that chord progression, the A, the E, the B minor, and the G is really everything, and it'll come out back to an E, and then it ends on the A. Really everything about that entire thing. So you get into the next part. Stranded in the combat zone, I rode the Bedford style alone, even rode my motorcycle in the rain. And you begged me not to drive. Back to G. And I made it home alive. Coming to E. And you said it only proves that I'm insane. Now listen, you stop. You may be E, I may be A. Go to E again, but it just may be a D. Go A, C. Don't tell light. Don't try to save me. Back to D now. You may be wrong for all I know, but you may be right. That is the entire song. And once you get that going, the end of it's going to stay in that A. You may be wrong, but you may be right. You may be wrong, but you may be right. So anytime you're doing that, you get that chorus going, and it's an easy thing to get through all the lyrics, if you know them. If not, let everybody else sing them. You just keep playing them. So now, because it's so hard to do this without the lyrics, I'm going to try this as a Jammin' with Jimbo, and we'll see if you can kind of follow along with this. I'll murmur a little bit of the lyrics just to kind of guide you, but again, this is a lesson, not a performance, so I want you to be able to get through this song. So here we go. And I'm going to try to start it from pretty close to the beginning just so we can get through it. There's literally 2 portions you go through, and then you get to the chorus. So, and this is the same thing. Well, I guess we could start later in the song so it doesn't sound like we're starting at the beginning. Remember how I found you there, alone in your electric chair. I told you dirty jokes until you smiled. You were home Turn out the light. Don't try to save me. You may be wrong for all I know, but you may be right. Now you get to that end. You may be wrong, but you may be right. You may be wrong, but you may be right. You may be wrong, but you may be right. That's how you end it. Just keep going with that. It's such a fun song, a cool song. I hope I didn't violate any rules or anything like that. Again, this is a lesson, and this is how I see the song. Now, I've got another cool Billy Joel song coming up. I'm actually going to show you how to play Piano Man on the guitar. If you want to see that one, subscribe so that you'll know and be alerted when I upload that song, because it is a really cool one to play on the guitar. But for this one, You May Be Right is a really fun song, and everybody's going to enjoy it. And I hope you like it as much as I like bringing it to you. And I know that everybody's going through a lot of challenges on YouTube right now. YouTube is demonetizing channels. They're pulling channels away. They're underreporting growth. And I'm really fortunate. Thank you very much for subscribing. We've gotten nearly 18,000 new subscribers in the past 12 months. So things are growing, and it tells me that maybe we're on the right path. So if there's anything at all, share this channel. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It helps me out a lot. I like it when you view these and give me comments, because it helps me work on doing something better. And I know a lot of you said, shut up, stop talking, but I just want to show you how I play these simple songs and how you can play them too. Having fun playing a guitar is what it's all about. It's not about getting up, and you're not going to be some super performer. You may be, but I know I never will be. I'm not a singer, I'm not a player, but I do know how to simplify things, and that's what this is all about. So, if you can, subscribe, like, comment, do all that fun stuff. Throw a hype if you're on your mobile phone, because if you hit hype, it helps me get found by more people. I just want to keep growing, because trust me, I have a lot of respect for all those YouTubers out there that are putting together all kinds of just anything on their channel, and as long as it's got good content, YouTube needs it, and people need it. So if you can, share when you find a good channel, whether it's mine or somebody else's, share it with others, because that's one of the ways that helps us grow. We know we're doing something right. YouTube says, hey, they're getting a like. So, but anyway, you may be right, I may be crazy, oh, but it just may be a lunatic you're looking for. Turn out the light, don't try to save me. You may be wrong for all I know, but you may be right. You may be wrong for all I know, but you may be right. Listen, it's Ohio Jimbo. Fun songs to play. I simplify and make them easy for you. If you want to learn more, subscribe, join with me. But other than that, if I don't see you out there, I'm going to see you in here. You may be right, I may be crazy, oh, but it just may be